With the spring fast approaching, April's Law of the Month will be covering bicycle statutes. The first important thing to remember when riding your bicycle on streets or highways is that all traffic laws which apply to operating a motor vehicle will also apply to you on a bicycle. One common exception to this is if you are stopped at a stoplight for more than 45 seconds, the law permits you to drive through the red light when it is safe to do so. Since most bicycles also do not have working turn signals, it is important to remember to use visual signals to alert other drivers that you will be turning or stopping. The law also requires bicycle riders to drive in the rightmost lane. In Neenah, most streets have designated bike lanes for safe traveling on the streets, and Neenah also allows bicycle riders to drive on the sidewalk, except in the business district of the city. The last thing for riding bicycles specifically covers nighttime riding. Bicycling at night requires at least a white front headlight, a red rear reflector, and or a rear red light.